This is my grandfather's garage, and today we're gonna clean it up because I want to turn it into a film space. It's kind of cold out. Why not I give you guys like a run through of what we're dealing with here. It's pretty messy so far. We got shelves and shelves of stuff. There's just like a ton of stuff here that we gotta clear out. And there's a lot of storage up there that isn't being used, so I'm gonna move a lot of this stuff up. I don't know what this is. We got Pringles. We got a box of Pringles. I guess we'll start with these pieces. This, but if you could tell, there's like a separation right here. It's for hot pot. Kid that's very naughty, we're gonna whack you with this bamboo stick. Yo, this is like ultimate Asian. I'm not looking forward to picking up this towel. You know what? I'm gonna shovel it out because I do not want to touch it. This is mad nasty. This is mad nasty, dog. I don't even know what. I don't like that one bit. Hold up. Why is there sand in here? I have to like scoop this up. All right, so since we're kind of cleared out and I do not want to make too much of a mess, I'm going to start putting some stuff. I'm going to start organizing. So let's see what I'm working with up here. Holy crap, that's dirty. It's mad dirty. Yikes. There's just crud everywhere. Yeah, there's more random stuff back there. I wonder if it's dirty and if like I could go up there. And there's more stuff over here as well. So I think this is where all this debris is coming from. That is mad nasty. We gotta ew. We're back. It's day 2. I'm gonna put more stuff on the upper shelves today. basically anything big that I can't get rid of is gonna go up there at the top. So this painting, my grandfather painted this. I don't know why it's been sitting back here, but it has. And also, since I moved that, we're able to see what's behind here as well. It's very dark, but it looks like some storage. There's a shelf here which I could use in the setup. These mats could be good for something, but I really don't know right now. Poland spring boxes, and there's a binder. I'll look through that next. I could turn this space right here into like a small workspace. No, it's the rice cooker. Time to start clearing out the top. There's like old carpet up here that's really hard to move. And cardboard. I don't know what all this cardboard was for. That's crazy. Yeah. That is really... Oh, come on, now the light goes off. It's like really nasty up here. Let me start hauling this out. Yeah, there was definitely an animal here once. Oh shit. I better be careful. This is barbed wire. Dude, where am I gonna put this? This is barbed wire. Been slowly clearing out. That barbed wire is like tripping me out. I used that board to like make a little bit of a fence there. I just don't want to deal with it. That's funny. I know this place doesn't look that much cleaner than before, but it's still much more spacious compared to what it was. 'Cause, you know, as I said, I have a video coming up that I need to film in this space. So even though it's not the best right now and it's still a work in progress, I'm finally done. And I can actually use the space for what I need to film. And you'll see that in the video after this one. I'm still just happy, like, eventually I might make some videos going through the stuff that is actually left here because there's too much of it. Right now I was just trying to reorganize it, and we'll see what this garage can do. I'll see what kind of content I can make out of this. But, all right. Thanks for watching.